Is meat really unhealthy? The truth behind the controversy. The evolution of meat consumption. When our vegetarian ancestors began consuming meat around 2 million years ago, it was driven by necessity rather than preference. Climate change had rendered many plant-based food sources scarce, and meat helped bridge that nutritional gap. The discovery of fire further established meat as a staple of the human diet, providing a reliable food source that satisfied multiple dietary needs. Over time, however, the perception of meat has shifted, with increasing awareness of potential health risks associated with its consumption. Biological necessities. Why we eat. Humans consume food for three primary reasons: to obtain energy, to acquire materials necessary for cellular construction and repair, and to secure special molecules known as vitamins and minerals. These essentials are derived from the three macronutrients: fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. Proteins are particularly crucial for the maintenance of our cellular structures. Additionally, many vitamins and minerals serve as catalysts for metabolic processes, and meat provides a substantial portion of these essential nutrients. Nutritional content of meat. Meat offers a complete profile of essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. It is also a rich source of minerals, such as iron and zinc, and essential vitamins, including some that are rarely found in plant-based foods, notably vitamin B12. However, meat generally lacks vitamin C, which is critical for immune function and the development of connective tissues. An extended period without vitamin C can lead to conditions like scurvy. An advantage of meat over plants is its high bioavailability. This means that the nutrients in meat are more readily broken down and absorbed by the body. For example, while spinach contains more iron than meat, the process of absorbing iron from spinach is slower and requires more energy. Types of meat and their health implications. Fish, the healthiest meat option. Fish is generally considered the healthiest meat option due to its high content of polyunsaturated fatty acids, such as omega-3. These fatty acids can lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases and support anti-inflammatory immune functions. When consumed as part of a balanced diet, fish can be eaten regularly without significant health concerns. Poultry, a popular and safe choice. Chicken is another popular meat that is considered to have relatively few health risks. The primary concern with poultry is its saturated fat content, which is associated with higher cholesterol levels and cardiovascular disease. Red meat. Moderation is key. Red meats, such as beef, veal, pork, lamb, horse, and goat, pose more significant health risks, particularly when consumed in large quantities. Studies suggest limiting red meat intake to about 23 grams per day, roughly equivalent to a small steak once a week. Processed meat, a real danger. Processed meats such as bacon, ham, salami, sausages, and hot dogs present a different level of risk due to added chemicals like nitrates and nitrites. These chemicals can damage DNA in the digestive system and increase cancer risk. Recommendations for a balanced approach. Meat, in moderation, is not inherently unhealthy, and there is no need for a rapid shift to vegetarianism to improve health or environmental impact. Here are some practical recommendations. Limit red and processed meat. Most health agencies recommend keeping red meat consumption to around 500 grams per week and minimizing processed meat intake. These changes can significantly reduce the risks of various diseases and contribute to better overall health. Diversify protein sources. Incorporate a variety of protein sources into your diet, including plant-based options like legumes, nuts, and seeds. This can provide a broader spectrum of nutrients and reduce reliance on any single food source. Mindful consumption. Keep track of your meat consumption over a few weeks. Many people may be surprised by how much they are actually eating. Simple awareness can lead to more mindful and healthier eating habits. Conclusion. Balancing meat consumption with health, ethical, and environmental considerations is vital. While meat provides essential nutrients and has been a fundamental part of the human diet for millennia, the modern context necessitates a more cautious and informed approach. By moderating intake, diversifying protein sources, and considering the broader impact of our dietary choices, we can enjoy the benefits of meat while mitigating its risks.